down, 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 down. Okay, guess who's back, back, back again, again. Back, back. Everyone report to the dance floor. Now everyone stop. Come here, little kitties, on my lap. Guess who's back with a brand new rap? And I don't mean rap. Possibly do to make everything but little boys. That's not a stab at Michael. That's just a metaphor. I'm just psycho. I go a little bit crazy sometimes. I get a little bit out of control with my rhyme. Nobody's gonna know who'd hear it. Give a little poot poot, it's okay. Oops, my CD just and everyone just heard one rip. Now I'm gonna make you dance. Get your
يسهروا لهم فينا كل يوم في الليل واحنا عليهم نخموا.
Alright, now lose it. Just lose it. Go crazy. Oh baby, baby. It's Friday and it's my day. Just to party all the way to Sunday, maybe till Monday. I don't know what day. Every day's just a holiday. Cruising on the freeway, feeling kinda breezy. Got the top down and my hair blow. I don't know where I'm going. All I know is when I get there, someone's gonna touch my body. Miss, I don't mean to sound like a jerk, but I'm feeling just a little stressed out from work. Could you punch me in the stomach and pull my hair? Spit on me, maybe gouge my eyes out. Yeah. Now what's your name, girl? What's your sign?
Man, you must be about your mind.
Dre, beer goggles blind. I'm just trying to unwind now. Now I'm gonna make you dance. Get your chance. Yeah, boy, shake that thing. Oops, I mean girl. Girl.
Girl, you know you're my world.
Alright, now lose it.